GoGuardian, you can set up schedules for when your sessions will start. Now, during this session, GoGuardian's going to record any activity that students are doing in Chrome. So as they're opening up browsers and going to different websites, it's going to be recording that activity. It won't necessarily show you what apps they are in. So if they are in Word the whole time, you wouldn't necessarily have a record that they've been in Word the whole time. But you might find scheduling helpful, just to have it automatically start once your students enter the class so that you don't have to go through and start the session every time. You can just have it automatically start. The other times this might be helpful, maybe you have a sub for the day so you're not going to be in the classroom, so maybe you go ahead and set up a scheduled session to start that day that automatically puts your students in the spaces that you want them to be, or it locks them out of other spaces they shouldn't be. So to do this, to set up the schedule, we're going to be on our Classrooms dashboard. We're going to click on the Classroom tile. And then on this left-hand side, we're going to click on Settings. And then we're going to click on Scheduling. On the Scheduled Sessions page, we're going to click on Add Schedule. And here we can set our start time and end time for any schedule. So if I want to leave it at 8 to 9, I can go ahead and set that. And maybe this is every morning, and I can hit Add Schedule. I can also change this, so maybe it's at a different time every morning. So I can change these schedules around. I can also toggle them on and off, so maybe for one day we don't have a school on Monday, you could turn that off so you're not starting that session on that Monday. And then the next week you could just go and turn that back on. Or if you made a mistake, you just want to get rid of the whole thing, you can delete a session. You can also have multiple sessions for a day. So let's say I have that class in the morning, but I also have them from 2 to 3 in the afternoon on like Tuesday. I can go ahead and click Add. And that's going to add more to that day. So here I have 2 to 3. I can toggle all the schedules off for the day. Maybe there's an assembly in the afternoon. I could just toggle that one off, or toggle the morning one off. But that's how you can set up scheduled sessions so they start and stop basically at these times.